What's up YouTube, this is JPR Tech here. I got a very interesting video for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to monitor the sound that comes out of your DSLR only for $25. Usually YouTubers use stereo shotgun mics to improve the quality of the videos, but we don't really know how the sound sounds until you import it into your computer. So I'm going to be showing you how to monitor that with just a couple of things. So first you need the essentials, a camera. Then you're going to need a shotgun mic to record good quality video. And to monitor that, you need stereo headphones. And of course, to pair the two, you need a male-to-male auxiliary cable and a stereo headphone splitter. And that's it. I got all these items from the dollar store. Yes, this is a dollar splitter. And also in the dollar store, male-to-male auxiliary cables. Now, these are older headphones that I've had for years that are working great. And of course, the eBay $15 shotgun mics. So when you put it all together, this is why you get the sound you're listening to right now. I'm actually monitoring myself as I'm listening to myself. So how do we put this thing together? It's very simple. First, while your camera is off, just connect the headphone splitter, the shotgun mic to one another splitter, and then connect your headphones. Right now, let's see if it works. Test, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. There we go. It does work. I'm actually monitoring the sound as I'm editing the video, but I'm also still testing how it sounds, and I'm being here myself this whole time. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and hope to see you guys on the next one. See you.